What if I told you there's a proven way to make money online that doesn't require you to show your face on camera, hold inventory, or deal with customer service nightmares? In fact, complete beginners with zero technical skills are now building profitable online businesses in just 60 days using the power of artificial intelligence. Stay with me because what I'm about to show you could completely change your financial future. Hey everyone, if you're watching this, you're probably searching for a legitimate way to make money online. Maybe you've tried affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or freelancing and nothing's quite clicked. Or maybe you're just starting out and feeling overwhelmed by all the options. I get it. The good news is there's one business model that consistently outperforms almost everything else, and thanks to AI, it's now easier than ever to get started. Let me ask you something. Have you noticed how many people are buying online courses, ebooks, and digital training programs? The digital product industry is absolutely exploding. We're talking about a market that's projected to hit $1.1 trillion by 2030. That's not a typo. $1.1 trillion. And here's the best part. You don't need to be an expert to profit from this massive opportunity. So, what exactly are digital products? We're talking about ebooks, online courses, video training programs, membership sites, templates, guides, basically any information product that can be downloaded or accessed online. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them unlimited times. No inventory, no shipping, no physical overhead, pure profit potential. But here's where most people get stuck. They know digital products are profitable, but they have no idea what to create. They stare at a blank page and freeze. The content creation feels impossible. Building a sales page seems too technical. Setting up a funnel looks like it requires a computer science degree, so they give up before they even start. That's exactly why AI is such a game changer for this business model. Modern AI tools can now do about 90% of the heavy lifting for you. I'm talking about the actual product content, the sales copy, the funnel setup, all of it. You're no longer facing that terrifying blank page. Instead, you're working with AI as your assistant, speeding through the process that used to take months. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great, but where do I even begin? What system should I follow? How do I know I'm doing it right? These are exactly the questions I had when I started researching this opportunity, and that's when I discovered there's actually a proven system that's already helped over 3,000 students launch successful digital product businesses. These aren't just random people throwing stuff online and hoping for the best. We're talking about real students who've collectively generated over $23 million in sales. Think about that for a second. Regular people, many of them complete beginners, learning a system and actually making it work. Some have created side incomes, others have replaced their full-time jobs, and a few have even built 6- and 7-figure businesses. So, what makes this approach different from all the other make money online opportunities out there? It comes down to 3 critical factors. First, you're getting a complete roadmap, not just theory or motivation, but actual step-by-step training on how to use AI tools to create your digital product fast. Second, you get ongoing support. We're talking about a full year of live coaching calls where you can ask questions and get guidance. And third, you get help with the scariest part, actually launching and promoting your product to get sales. Let's talk about that launch support for a minute because this is huge. Most training programs teach you how to create a product and then say good luck, you're on your own. But getting traffic and making sales is where most people fail. That's why having a system that actually helps you promote your completed product is so valuable. Imagine having experienced marketers help you get your product in front of thousands of potential buyers. That kind of support can be the difference between a product that sits there collecting dust and one that actually generates income. Here's what the typical journey looks like. You start by going through the AI product creation training. You learn exactly which AI tools to use and how to use them effectively. Within days, not months, you've got your digital product 90% complete. Then you work on your sales materials using proven templates and frameworks. Next, you set up your simple funnel. And again, there are AI tools that make this way easier than it used to be. Finally, you launch with support and guidance to help you get those first sales. The best part? You can do this in any niche you're interested in: fitness, personal finance, relationships, hobbies, business skills, self-improvement. The list goes on. As long as people want to learn something or solve a problem, there's an opportunity to create a digital product. And with AI handling the heavy lifting, you can focus on choosing the right market and connecting with your audience. Now, I want to be real with you. This isn't some push-button magic system where money appears in your account overnight. You still need to put in the work. You need to follow the training, use the tools, and take action. But what you don't need is years of experience, technical skills, or a huge budget. This is designed specifically for beginners who want to build a real online business without all the usual barriers. Let me also address the elephant in the room. Yes, there are other ways to make money online. You could do freelancing, but then you're trading time for money. You could try drop shipping, but you're dealing with inventory issues and thin margins. You could do affiliate marketing, but you're promoting other people's products and don't own the customer relationship. Digital products give you the best of all worlds: high profit margins, you own the business, and once it's built, it can generate passive income. The timing for this has never been better. Since the pandemic, millions of people worldwide have shifted to online education. They're comfortable buying digital products and they're actively searching for solutions to their problems. The demand is there, the market is proven, the technology now exists to make creation easy. All that's missing is you taking action. Think about where you want to be 6 months from now. Do you want to still be searching for the right opportunity, or do you want to have a digital product business that's generating income? The people who are succeeding with this model right now aren't smarter than you or more talented than you. They simply found a proven system and committed to following it through to completion. Here's what I love most about this business model. Once your product is created and your funnel is set up, it can work for you 24/7. You can make sales while you sleep, while you're at your day job, while you're spending time with family. That's the power of digital products. You build it once and it keeps generating income. And as you get comfortable with the process, you can create additional products and scale your business even further. The digital product industry isn't going anywhere. If anything, it's accelerating. More people are online than ever before. More people are comfortable buying digital products than ever before. And now, thanks to AI, creating these products is easier than ever before. This is the perfect storm of opportunity, and the people who take action now are going to be in the best position to succeed. So if you're serious about building a real online business, if you're tired of watching other people succeed while you're stuck on the sidelines, and if you want a proven system with real support behind it, then this is your opportunity. Don't let another year go by wondering what if. The tools are available, the market is ready. The only question is whether you're ready to take action. Click the link in the description to discover more about how you can launch your own profitable digital product business using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. This could be the decision that changes everything for you. I'll see you on the inside.